You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions right here on WCSUFM.org.
Welcome back to Life with DJ Sessions. My NMLS number is 271823. Today's episode are 10 detailed differences between a credit union, a bank, and a licensed mortgage broker, right? And the first thing we want to talk about is the institution itself, right? The type. And NCUA Insured Credit Union operates as a not-for-profit financial cooperative owned by its members, right? It's a credit union. An FDIC Insured Bank, for-profit institution offering a wide range of financial services, right? A licensed mortgage broker operates as an intermediary connecting borrowers and various lenders, including banks and credit unions, to secure mortgage loans. Number 2, ownership structure. Okay, an NCUA Insured Credit Union owned by its members who are also its shareholders, right? FDIC Insured Bank owned by shareholders which may include the general public. A licensed mortgage broker typically operates as an independent entity facilitating mortgage transactions between borrowers and lenders, right? Deposit insurance. Number 3, NCUA Insured Credit Unions insured by the National Credit Union Share Insurance Fund, right? So NCUSIF, right? FDIC Insured Bank insured by the Federal Deposit Insured Corporation, right? So we know that. Licensed mortgage broker does not handle depository accounts and is not covered by any deposit insurance. So number 4, the primary function. NCUA Insured Credit Union focuses on, not forces. Well, I guess I do kind of force because you got to have it, right? Focuses on member savings, checkings, and loan services, right? FDIC insured banks provide a wide range of financial services, including checking, savings, loans, and other banking products. A licensed mortgage broker specializes in facilitating mortgage transactions, helping borrowers find suitable loan products, right? Membership eligibility, right? NCUA Insured Credit Union membership often requires a common bond, such as an employment, community, or an association, right? I know a lot of credit unions based on county, right? Some just operate in certain areas. FDIC insured banks generally open to the public, and customers do not necessarily need to meet specific eligibility requirements. A licensed mortgage broker open to any individual seeking mortgage financing. Eligibility depends on credit worthiness and other financial factors. That is a fact. Number 6, the regulatory authority. Okay, so NCUA Insured Credit Union regulated by the National Credit Union Administration. That's who's the regulatory authority. FDIC insured banks are regulated by the federal and state banking agencies. Licensed mortgage broker regulated by state authorities ensuring compliance with mortgage-related regulations, right? So we all are regulated. Product focus, number 7. NCUA Insured Credit Unions offer a range of financial products with a focus on member needs. Again, that member is driving the focus of the credit union. FDIC insured banks provide a comprehensive suite of financial products and services beyond banking, right? So a lot of banks do a lot of stuff. A licensed mortgage broker specializes in mortgage products and services, tailoring options to meet borrower requirements, okay? So let's talk about number 8, profit motive. Okay, so the NCUA Insured Credit Unions operate as a not-for-profit with the goal of benefiting its members, right? So again, you're coming together as a cooperative, as a credit union, and you're being profitable by the mindset of the members. FDIC Insured Banks operates a for-profit with an aim of maximizing shareholder value, right? You got shareholders that are trying to maximize those profits there. A licensed mortgage broker earns fees or commissions for facilitating mortgage transactions operating with a profit motive, right? Making money, right? We don't want to lose money. Risk exposure. A credit union members share in the risk and rewards of the institution, okay? Banks, shareholders bear the risk and reward of the institution's activities, right? So if you're a shareholder, you're going to also benefit or to go decline as well. A licensed mortgage broker assumes certain risks associated with mortgage brokering, such as market and credit risk, right? And number 10, scope of services, right? So a credit union focuses on member-centric services, including savings, loans, and all types of financial products. An FDIC bank offers broad range of services, including investments, wealth management, and other financial products. And I would say also credit unions offer investments and wealth management as well. And then your licensed mortgage broker specializes in mortgage-related services, assisting borrowers with loan origination, refinancing, and navigating the mortgage process. Okay, again, very mortgage-focused. This perspective is really my way of putting it out there so you guys can kind of know what's out there, what are your options, and if you'd like to learn more, businesssessionslending.com. Thank you.
You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions. Special thanks goes to Wade Oberlin of OnOurOwnRadio.com, Charles Fox, K-Divas Music Media, and the BDG Network. For more lessons in financial empowerment, stay tuned right here on WCSUFM.org for more Life with DJ Sessions.